So I made a video previously about our chickens and them having raw backs and, you know, not knowing whether it was mites or pecking on them. And I think we've came down to the conclusion that they're pecking each other. So we've been using Blue Coat. We were using a organic solution, and I'm trying to make a video on Blue Coat, but I don't want to like drop it and say that it works 100% because they're not all the way healed, although we are seeing good results. And that's what this video is about today. We're going to update on the chickens and how their backs are coming. So we've been free ranging them. I throw some food down, they'll eat it, and then they'll go into the woods. They'll eat that, but I'll throw some food down in here today and we'll look at their backs and I'll show you how they're doing. Good morning, girls. Woo. Let's do this one at a time, one at a time. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Got some food out here, let's do this. Morning, bud. What's up, boss man? Look at you. Our big rooster over here, he is pretty much untouched. And you can see the purple, which is the Blue Coat, on their backs, and some of them are looking pretty good. There's only a little bit of bare on the back there. But then you have ones like this. Try to get them to stay there. They're pretty bare. Here's another one. But you can see their feathers are growing back in now, and we've been applying Blue Coat every couple days, 1 to 2 days. Sometimes it goes 3, but you can see their feathers coming out. They're about a 1/4 inch now, growing back pretty good. And I think free ranging them has cut down on the pecking because they have more stuff to do. They're not just in the run. I'm liking it too, especially with the mild winter we had. You know, hopefully they're eating all the ticks, so we have less of that. It'll be definitely nice. Here, look at this rooster. He was pretty bad. It still has red spots, obviously, but we're trying to cover it up as much as possible. As you can see, they're growing back pretty good. It should be no time before they're back to 100%. It just comes down to being consistent every couple days and applying that. Ever since I started free ranging them, they walk after me like the crazy chicken, man. Even though there's food in the run, they're following me right now. You guys want some treats or what? Here they go. Bam. They're going over there to Dan's yard where they just slaughtered the pigs. They just love it. It's crazy. Bye, chickens. I guess we'll see you later. They're back. I don't know. These chickens are so unpredictable. I don't know what's going on. Let's give them some snacks since they came back. Come here, girls. These are mealworms. Yeah, Nova, stop. Of course, Nova, of course. So she comes over here, breaks it up, lets them know snack time's over. Bam. And we found our new dust bath spot. Hey, girl. Don't really mind it. It's kind of out of the way. Not in the middle of my lawn, so I'll take it. Oh! Nova, you better watch out. Rooster's about to whoop your butt, girl. Man, he just charged her. Tell us how you really feel, bud. You messing with me. Get off my turf. Get off my turf. Oh, he's gonna get her. Oh man, always a crazy time here. Chickens are doing good. Thanks for watching chicken update video. Yes, Bear, what do you have to say to them?
Chickens do not fly!
What happens when they fly?
They don't fly.
For a few feet.
No.
What do we say to everybody?
out.
Peace out, everybody. Thanks for watching.
And
See you next time.
Peace out. Chicken
See you,
peace out.
see you next time on Break Free Homestead.